Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to create a new Git repo and commit the code into the Git repo and connecting with this source code location. Okay. In the repo location, if you click the repo and you can able to get this particular page. Okay. And here we need to add our project and we need to clone that particular project from here. Okay, we need to bring that particular one. How we can able to do it? Okay, before that we need to create one folder. Okay, in this folder, because in the DevOps master place I have one project, right? That particular project we can able to bring it. Okay, and for this I can do it one thing. I'll rename it into DevOps master. Okay, that I'll mark and I'll copy this one. I'll go to here and GitHub. I'll search is this is my GitHub location. Okay, I'll create for new repo that is called this particular. It is available DevOps master and public. Creating this one. Okay, and this particular one we need to commit our repo. Okay, and I'm going to here and I'll take this one, and here all the things I will remove. Dockers only projects I'll keep it, and this one, this all the things I'll remove. Okay, and the projects also hello world I'll remove, and these all the things are presented, right? Currency, I'll copy this all the things. I'll come back outside, select, delete, paste all this shit. Okay, DevOps, Docker, projects, microservices. Okay, now everything I have, and okay, this is my DevOps master and I'm entering here. Projects also not required. I hope it create outside the projects itself. Okay, this is the one, CMD, and Git. I can say status, sorry, Git init, and then Git status, and we have this many files, and Git add. I can able to give the dot, and we can able to add for all the files, and Git commit hyphen m, adding new files. Okay, and then okay, and then we can go ahead here and we'll take this particular repo. Okay, and then up to here we can mention for master. Okay, my master is up done, and we can refresh this particular one. Yeah, the project is gonna presented. Okay, and just we can go ahead here now. We'll take this DevOps masters. and comes to here. We can import from here to here. Okay, import, and it will ask you on this way for everything to connecting for this particular one, and it will ask you for authorization also. Yeah, it is able to develop master repository successful navigation. See, now we are able to connected our master branch itself. Okay, we can able to set the build, and we can able to clone, and we can able to commit, and we can able to do all the things from here. Okay, and next video session, how we can able to create our pipeline and how we can able to run and everything we can able to see one by one. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.